Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Chandrika Saxena from Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. Today's my topic is experiment number 4, program for string manipulation for 8086. The objective of this program to develop a program to understand string manipulation using 8086 microprocessor assembly level language program. The outcomes of this program, a student can understand different type of string manipulation operation of 8086 microprocessor using MESM software in different addressing modes. The scope of this experiment, a student can able to understand the different type of assembly level language program and instruction to perform different string manipulation operation like exchange, load and store. This experiment belongs to the cycle 1 category using Microsoft Assembler tool. Our experiment is string manipulation. The aim of this string manipulation program is to write an assembly language program to perform string manipulation operation using 8086. For this purpose, we required personal computer, 8086 microprocessor kit or Microsoft Assembler, power supply and keyboard. The program of string transfer is start with the assume directive. Using this assume directive, I am selecting code segment and data segment. The CS, code, it used to select the code segment. DS, column, data indicates the select the data segment, and ES column indicates the extra segment. To start, so in this program, I am selecting 3 segments: code segment, data segment and extra segment. In next line, start the data segment. To initialize the data segment, I am using data segment and initialize this source data to string mpmc length. This string length is 8 mpmc space lab. So this mpmc space lab takes the 8 length. So that's why my count equals to 0, 8. To add this data segment, I am using data ANDs. To start my extra segment, I am using extra segment and initialize my offset with destination data db. This db indicates the double byte to this string duplicate. To add this extra segment, I am using extra ANDs, and to start the code segment, I am using code segment directive. To start with start directive, I am start my program. My first instruction is move AX, data. Through this instruction, the data string is moved in AX register. Instruction is move DS, AX. Through this instruction, the data which is present in accumulator is moved in DS. Next instruction is AX, extra. Through this instruction, the extra segment contained is moved in AX register. The next instruction is move ES, AX. Through this instruction, the address which is present in extra is moved in ES. The next instruction is move CX, count. The count value is moved in CX register. We know that our count is 0, 8. The next instruction is move SI, offset source data. Through this instruction, the offset value of this source data is moved in SI register. The next instruction is move DI, offset destination data. Through this instruction, the destination data address is moved in DI register. Next instruction is CLD. Through this instruction, the direction flag is cleared and the string start with the auto incremented mode. The next instruction is repeat move single byte. Through this instruction, the single byte string is moved until the count value is 0. The next instruction is move AH, 09 and INT 21 and INT 3. Using these three instructions, I am terminating my program and using code segment and I am added my code segment and add start. Getting the result. My input is in data segment. My string is MPMC lab. After the executing of program, I am getting the result in ES MPMC lab. Now let's start demonstration of experiment number 4. So first click on docs box. Here type C mount space C colon hyphen 8086. Press enter. Now drive C is mounted in local directory. Next type C colon, press enter. Now drive in C. So write a program using edit, type edit, and press enter. So new window is appeared. Here go to the file and select new. Here I am start the typing of my program. Start with my first directive assume CS colon code comma DS colon data comma ES colon extra data segment, press enter. Source src data, source data db mpmc space lab dollar, press and count equal 08h, enter. Data hands, enter. Extra segment, destination dst destination data db 12 duplicate extra hands, code segment, start move ax comma data move ds comma ax, enter, move ax comma extra, enter, move ps comma ax, enter, move cx comma count, enter, move si comma offset src data, enter, move di comma offset dst destination data, enter, clear direction flag, repeat, move string, enter, move ah comma 09h, enter, int 21h, enter, int 03h, enter, code hands and start. So here I am typing my full program. So in this program I am using the three segments: code segment, data segment and extra segment. To start the data segment I am using data segment and initialize my offset using the source data, and this db indicate the double byte, and this word is my string which I want to transfer in extra segment address. So this string length is 8. So that's why in count I am initialize it 08. MPMC is 4. This space have a this space use the 1 length, and LAB is another 3 length. So this MPMC space LAB takes the 8 space. So this length of string is 8. That's why I am putting here count equals to 08. And after that the end of data is ended by the data ends. Now the next instruction is extra segment. To initialize the extra segment, I am using destination data to define the offset of destination data, and this db again indicates the double byte, and this 12 indicates the duplicate of this data, this string. I want to transfer this string to destination extra segment, and I end this extra segment using extra ends, and start my code segment using code segments, and start my first instruction move ax comma data. Through this instruction the data string mpmc lab move in ax register. Then this AX register contain move in DS register. The next is move AX comma extra. the content of extra segment is moved in AX register. After that, the next instruction is move ES, AX. The content of AX register is moved in ES register. The next is move CS, count. This count is moved in CX register. We know that our count is 0, 8. The next instruction is move SI, offset source data. Through this instruction, the content of this source data is moved in SI register. The next instruction is move DI, offset destination data. Through this data, the offset value is initialized by DI. The content of offset is moved in DI. The next instruction is CLD, clear direction flag. Through this instruction, the direction flag is clear. Transfer the string in auto-incremented mode. The next is repeat move string byte. Through this instruction, the content is pointed by the SI is moved in DI. The next instruction is move AH, 09. Through this instruction, the content of 09 is moved in AH register. These two instruction is used to terminate the program, and using code ANDs, I AND my program, AND my code segment, and AND the start. Now I save my program by save as and type my file name experiment exp4.asm and click on OK. Replace the existing files. OK. And now exit, and here I am typing to check the errors in my program. I am typing MASM space my file name exp4.asm colon, press enter. I am getting 0 warning and 0 error. Now I am typing link exp4.obj, comma. So I am not using the stack segment, so I am getting no segment is used. Now my program is ready to debug. So I am typing debug space my file name exp4 dot exe, comma u. So here I am getting my code. Here I am typing G and pressing enter. So I am getting MPMC lab. I am typing D, comma DS colon 0000 and pressing enter. So I am getting this MPMC lab in the location of DS, and now typing D ES colon 0000 and pressing enter. So here you can see here my data of MPMC lab is transferred in DS. So this experiment is performed successfully. To quit this, I am pressing Q and pressing enter. So my program to transfer the string manipulation was performed successfully using MESM software. The Viva questions are: what do you mean by assembler directives? Explain, duplicate, what is macro, what is dot model small standard for 8086, define variables,